$2,400. That's what this guy paid to tow his Silverado. You know the worst part? He saw sign number 3 3 weeks before, ignored it, thought it was normal. If you have a Silverado, stay till the end because sign number 3 makes no noise, no warning light, but kills the engine without warning. If you want your Silverado to reach 300K miles without leaving you stranded, subscribe now and comment how many miles yours has because I want to know. Sign number 5. Steering wheel vibrates when you go over 70 miles per hour. Oh, it's just tire balancing. No, not always. Silverados with over 100K miles, vibration can be worn drive shaft, loose axle bearing, failing U-joints. If it brakes on the highway, you lose the axle. The truck stops dead at high speed. Cost to fix before? $400 to $600. Cost if it brakes while driving? $2,000 to $3,500. Tow plus axle plus labor. If your Silverado vibrates above 70, mechanic now. Sign number 4. Burning smell when climbing hills or towing weight. That's your transmission overheating. Silverado with 150K plus miles has degraded transmission fluid, doesn't protect like it used to. When you push it hard, hills, towing, hard acceleration, the internal clutches slip, generate heat, burn. First signs, burning smell like rubber. Transmission delays engagement, slips between gears. If you ignore it, transmission dies, $3,200 to $4,500. Solution before? Fluid change, $250 to $400. Adds $100K to transmission life. And look, if any of these are happening to you right now, hit that like button quick and stay because number 3 is the most dangerous because it gives no warning. Sign number 3, the silent one. Your Silverado is losing power gradually, makes no noise, no check engine light. You only notice it doesn't accelerate like before. Oh, but that's normal, it's old. No, it's not. This is a clogged catalytic converter or restricted intake system or saturated fuel filter. And here's the danger. You compensate by pressing harder, pushing more. This destroys the engine faster. How to detect? 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 2 to 3 seconds longer than before. Hills you used to take in 4th now need 3rd. Fuel consumption increased, working harder for the same power. Cost of ignoring? Engine loses compression, valves damage, cylinders wear. $4,000 to $8,000. Cost to fix early? $600 to $1,200. Catalytic converter, intake, filters. This is the most treacherous because it happens slowly, but when you notice, it's already expensive. Sign number 2, metallic noise when you start it for the first time of the day, like tick, tick, tick for the first 3 to 5 seconds. That's lack of oil pressure. When it sits overnight, oil drains down. When you start, it takes a few seconds to circulate. New Silverado? Normal, light. Old Silverado with this noise loud? Problem. Could be weak oil pump, stuck oil valves, worn piston rings. If you ignore it, accelerated wear, connecting rods, pistons, engine knocks. Cost? $1,800 to $3,500 depending on damage. Preventative solution? More frequent oil changes every 4K miles, always use synthetic. Up to here, signs you can notice. But number 1, you only find out when it's already broken, and then it's too late. Stay. Sign number 1, the invisible one. Rust underneath the truck. But I never see rust. Exactly, because it's underneath. Frame, suspension cross members, mounts, everything you don't see day to day. Silverados in states with snow and salt, this is an epidemic. Salt corrodes everything. And here's the problem. When you see the rust, it's already eaten 70 to 80% of the metal. Too late. How to know before? Get it on a lift or ramps. Look at frame, suspension, brake lines. If there's loose rust, flakes when you rub it, serious problem. I saw a guy who had to replace the entire frame, $12,000, because he ignored it for 3 years. Preventative solution? Wash underneath the truck, especially winter. Apply anti-corrosion protection annually and visual inspection every 6 months. Preventative cost? $200 to $400 per year. Wash plus protection. Cost if it breaks? $8,000 to $15,000. Frame, suspension. This is number 1 because it's slow, invisible, and when you see it, it's destroyed everything. Recapping the 5 signs. Number 5, vibration at 70 mph, axle. Number 4, burning smell, transmission. Number 3, gradual power loss, silent. Number 2, metallic noise on start, oil. Number 1, rust underneath, invisible. Now tell me, does your Silverado have any of these signs? Comment below with its mileage. And if this video helps you identify a problem before it got expensive, hit that like because it helps the channel tons. Next week, 7 hidden Silverado features 99% don't know. One of them saves you $120 on a locksmith. Don't miss it. Thanks, and see you next time.